story of an unusual friendship between a piece of toast, Mr. Toasty, and a bird without a name. One day they discovered the tree of all fruits. Let's see what they have to say.
Bird, I found the tree! Sweet, sweet! Yes, Toasty, they're everywhere! No, you silly bird! This tree bears all fruits of all shapes, colors, and sizes! Toasty, what are you searching for trees? Wait. Oh, bird, you're so silly! This tree bears all fruits, every single one! Let's pick a fruit!
Roar! Who goes there?
I'm Mr. Toasty! And I'm a bird without a name!
What are you looking at?
We don't know! He looks like a shark! He doesn't have a fin! One fruit, please!
No! They're all mine! Mine, 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 mine.
You're mean!
So what?
The fruit of the spirit's not mean! If you want to be mean, you might as well hear it. You can't be a fruit of the spirit!
Are you sure? And I do have a fin. I just lost it.